In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or fix currency in Facebook Marketplace. If prices in Marketplace look wrong, the currency setting you need is inside Facebook's payment area, not inside Marketplace itself. Follow along and we'll adjust it in a minute. Start by opening the Facebook app and signing in. At the top right of the screen, the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. This is where Facebook keeps all the key account options. Scroll down the menu and tap Settings and Privacy to expand it, then tap Settings. That takes you into your account's full settings dashboard. Next, scroll through the list and look for ads payments, then open it. Depending on your region, it might appear as ads payment or just payments, but it's the billing section Facebook uses for ads and other commerce features. Inside that section, tap Add Payment Method. Even if you don't plan to run ads, this is where Facebook lets you set your billing currency, which is why it helps fix Marketplace currency display. On the Add Payment Method screen, tap Currency. You'll see a list of supported options for your account. Choose the currency you want your prices to appear in and confirm. Once you select a currency, Facebook saves that preference for billing and commerce experiences connected to your profile, including Marketplace. Changes usually show up quickly, but it can take a moment across different parts of the app. Note that past charges or old listings keep their original currency. The new setting affects what you see going forward. A couple of quick clarifications to avoid surprises. Currency is tied to your billing profile and country, so available options can vary by region. If you already run ads, the currency on an existing ad account can be locked, and this change applies to new payment setups rather than altering previous billing. That's it. You've just updated the currency that Marketplace relies on by going to the Facebook menu, then Settings and Privacy, Settings, Ads Payments, Add Payment Method, Currency, and selecting your preferred option. With that done, Marketplace should display prices in the currency that makes sense for you.